getting a answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. જેમ જેમ વિદ્યાર્થી પ્રશ્ન પૂછશે તેમ તેમ ડોલીનું ચિત્ર બનતું જશે અને ડોલીનું ચિત્ર 6 સ્ટેપમાં પૂરું થશે. એનો મતલબ કે તમારી પાસે કેટલા ચાન્સ છે? 6 ચાન્સ. અને આ 6 ચાન્સમાં જ તમારે જવાબ મેળવી લેવાનો છે. So are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Nice. Now who will come first? You come. What's your name, beta? Kumkum. It's a nice name, beta. Now select one which you like. Okay. Who will come? Now the last one, you come. Please come here. What's your name, beta?
Naveen.
Naveen. Now ask her question to get answer. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Now ask her a question.
Did you see an animal?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did you eat a fruit?
Yes, I did.
Well done. She did. She ate a fruit.
Did you eat an apple?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't eat.
Did you eat a banana?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did you eat a carrot?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did you eat a mango?
Yes, I did.
Very good. She ate a. What's your answer, beta?
Mango.
Mango. Yes, she ate a mango. Well done. What's your name, beta?
Naveen.
Naveen, well done. You win the game and thank you for coming. Kumkum, you can go now. Now, who will come second? Okay, you come. What's your name, beta?
My name is Isha.
Isha, very nice name. Select any screen. Okay, this one. Now, who is ready to take challenge? Okay, last one, you come. What's your name, beta?
My name is Niraj.
Neeraj. Now, are you ready for the challenge? Very good. Now, ask her a question.
Will you eat a fruit? No, I will not.
No, she will not.
Will you eat a vegetable? No, I will not.
No, she will not eat any vegetable.
Will you see animal? No, I will not.
No, she will not see any animals.
Will you see vehicle? Yes, I will.
Very good. She will see a vehicle. Now,
Will you see bicycle? No, I will not.
no, she will not see a bicycle.
Will you see plane? Yes, I will.
Very good. She will see a plane. Well done. You have completed it before completing the dolly picture. Well done. You are the winner. And Ishita, thanks for coming here. Now, who want to come? You come. What's your name, beta? Aarti. Yes, it's a sweet name. Yes, it's name animals. Yes, this one. Now, who want to come to take challenge? Yes, you come. What's your name, beta? Vishal. Yes. Are you ready for the challenge? Yes, definitely. You can do it. Ask her a question.
Is it a bird? No, it is not.
No, it is not.
Is it an animal? Yes, it is.
Very good. Well done.
Did you see an elephant? Yes.
Well done. Well done, Vishal. You win the game. Well done, well done. And what's your name, beta? I forget your name. Aarti. Thank you for joining us. You can go now. Very good. Well done. So friends, મજા આવી ને? તો આવી જ રીતે તમારી શાળામાં ગેમ રમતા રહેજો અને પ્રશ્નોનું ફ્રેમિંગ કરતા રહેજો. આવજો.
So you enjoyed the game? આવી ગેમ તમારે શાળામાં રમતા રહેજો અને મુલ્લા નસરુદ્દીનનો જોક પણ તમારી એસેમ્બલીમાં ભજવતા રહેજો. આવજો.
It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum them all day long. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum them all day long. All day long, all day long, all day long. Crack a puzzle, play a game, read a book and light a flame. Crack a puzzle, play a game, read a book and light a flame. Light a flame, light a flame, light a flame. Act a role and pen a rhyme. Let's change our lives. Yes, it's our time. Act a role and pen a rhyme. Let's change our lives. Yes, it's our time. It's our time.